Good evening, I'm Young. I'm here with my S10 Plus and Ulanzi mobile phone gripper, which also comes with Osmo Pocket Grip, and Joby 3K Gorilla Pod. So today I really want to see what S10 Plus can do at night time. So let's go around in Hong Kong, which is perfect for night vlogging. Oh, and by the way, front camera does not have steady shot. What I really like about this phone is that front-facing camera has 4K, so it's very crystal clear. I can actually see that the resolution is beautiful here. And steady shot actually just only has 1080p. You can see so much noise even though it's steady. Vlog well at night time, you need to find suitable lights such as this, the Rolex light. So far I can see that S10 Plus is doing pretty well at night time, but Hong Kong does have a very bright night. Arm's length with the Joby, and it's actually pretty wide angle. It's definitely not the ultra wide that they talked about for the photos. I mean, with my arm length and Joby, it is about 1 meter away from me. Right now there's like absolutely no light. I can't wait until I actually take this mobile phone out, use the steady shot during daytime. I'm gonna come back with the daytime vlogging very soon. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna do like intensive review on S10 Plus and also show you guys around Hong Kong. See you!